Good day, gorillas. I'm the vegan gorilla chef Perry, and today we are going to make a no-knead bread with just 3 simple ingredients and a little bit of time and some love. So come on, let's go make it. All right, you all ready to start making this bread? Pretty simple. So I got my flour already in the bowl there. I'm going to put all the measurements and ingredients down a link below, so you guys can link on into that and print it off if you want. So basically we got some flour, some yeast, some salt. I use sea salt, like that. And my magic ingredient, a little bit of love. A little bit of love. Add some love. We'll give that a little quick stir up. Okay. Make sure that all the dry stuff gets together really good there. Then we're going to start adding our warm water. Not hot, make sure it's warm. Okay, and then we're going to fold everything together. I'll give you a little bit of time. And then I just like to mix it up, fold it into the middle a little bit. Really mix it around a little bit to get all that water incorporated and the flour dispersed. Okay, we got a little bit more. Okay, fold it in. I like using a wooden spatula, or bamboo actually, but it's straight edge, which helps me with all this. As you can see, it's starting to clump up a little bit, which is what we want. More water. This will give you good forearms. Good forearm. As you can see, it's really starting to come together now. A little bit more water left. Fill that powder flour in there. Okay, so that's it. Just going to mix it up like that. A little bowl. All that goodness off there. Alright, my hands are clean. And then I'm just going to let it rise. So what we'll do, let me just wash this my hands real quick. We'll take some saran wrap. Just cover it up. Keep some moisture in there. Just let it sit. And we're going to relax for a few hours. So let that sit for about 2 hours, roughly an hour and a half to 2 hours. And then we'll come back. All right, see you in a bit. All right, let's have a look and see how much this thing rose. Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Okay. Okay, so the secret for this recipe, for making this bread really good, is using a Dutch oven. It's a nice cast iron one. It's solid, it's heavy. What it'll do is it'll trap the steam inside and create that gluten to get that puffiness and give that nice little air pockets in between the bread. So let's go preheat our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Put this in, let it warm up a little bit. We'll come back and I'll show you a little trick about the dough. stuff is really gooey and sticky, as you can see. You might not be able to see. Put it all together. Right on the parchment paper. Like so. But let's make that little ball. Knife. Score this up a little bit. And that's it. And once the oven's hot enough, we'll take this and lift this right up and put it right into the Dutch oven. All right, let's get this right in there. See what I mean? Easy as that. Right in. Let it sit. We'll grab that. But one of these, it is hot. Right on top, and then we're going to put that right into the oven. Okay, I had it in there for about 32 minutes. Now we're going to take this out. Well, we're not actually going to take it out. We're just going to pull it out and take the lid off. As you can see, it's even more steamed up nice. So now we're going to leave it in there for about 12 minutes. 12, 13 minutes. Brown it up. And we'll see you soon. Parchment paper, pick it up, right down. Beautiful. Cool. Let's give this a little try. It's a little vegan butter on there. Oil. Nice. I give that 5 grills, man. That's awesome. Give it a shot, make it yourself. Try it out. Let me know how many grills you rated on. Scale of 1 to 5 grills. See you next time. If I don't see you, till next time. Time to say, much love.